Let's make Mexican hash. For this recipe, guys, we're gonna need diced butternut squash, we're gonna need spinach, we're gonna need diced jalapenos, diced red onions, diced red peppers, 1 avocado, fresh limes, olive oil, smoked paprika, cumin, salt, and black pepper. We're gonna start by prepping the butternut squash to put it in the oven. So, butternut squash in a tray. Then we're gonna season this with paprika. Cumin. Black pepper. Pinch of salt. Then we give a nice dash of olive oil and toss it all together so these flavors can combine. We are going to roast this for around 20 minutes or until they get like cooked, but I think it's gonna take 20 minutes because of the size that I cut the vegetables. So my oven is preheated. I'm putting here around 180. So let's put the squash inside and we wait for this to cook. Because I have all the other vegetables chopped already, so I did the onions, the jalapenos, they are done. So now I'm just gonna wait for the squash to cook. But if you're cooking at home and you're just starting from the zero, the first thing you do is put your squash in the oven. And meanwhile, you start chopping the onions, the jalapeno, and all the other things you start to prep while this is in the oven. Let's check, guys. It's been around 15 minutes. Not even this, I think. It's looking nice already. So how do I know if this squash is cooked? So usually I just get a knife and just poke one of them. Beautiful, cooked. A little bit crunchy, but cooked. So now I'm gonna finish on this skillet with my onions, tomato, jalapenos. I'm gonna show you guys and we're gonna finish this dish. So I have everything here. Always when I'm cooking, I like to have like everything I need in my hands, very close. So I have in my head already the process, what I'm doing. So first gonna be onions, peppers, jalapenos, then a little bit of the lemon juice. Finish with spinach. Put this squash inside and then we're plating with avocado. So everything is here, easy for me. So let's start. This skillet is heating already. I think it's hot. Yeah. Olive oil to start. And red onions at first. This is a dish, guys, you can make for breakfast. I really like this in breakfast. So you can have the squash ready in the night before. Then in the morning, you just heat everything on the pan and boom, beautiful. You have a nice breakfast in the morning. You can have these things prepped already in the fridge. You can have the jalapeno diced. You can have the red pepper diced, onions diced, everything ready to go. You don't want too much color on the onions. just one of these to become translucent. Onions are soft already, so we go with bell pepper and jalapeno. You don't want to cook them too much if you want them to be crunchy. So it's just to release this flavor and get all the flavors together in the pan. Nice, now we're gonna add the squash. Everything is looking beautiful. The smell is lovely in the kitchen. I only see happiness in here. Now to finish, we're gonna squeeze lemon juice. 1, 2, finishing. Now we're just gonna cook this spinach really fast and let this lime juice to dry. And we are ready to go. Beautiful. So let's plate this. Get a nice dish, nice plate. I want to put my avocado first. One layer. Another layer of avocado, because I like this baby. Then on the other part of the plate, we're gonna go with our hash. Direct from the pan like that. Just drop it. Drop it. Some lime wedges. And there you go. So let's do this. Time of suffering. Gonna get a little bit of this avocado, spinach, all the squash. They all complement each other. And the lime, the fresh lime, is the touch. You can let it outside. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, just write down in the comments below. Click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. If you guys want to have access to all the recipes I'm showing here, just go to my website, get your vegan ebook, and you have everything on your hand like that. description of the recipes, ingredients, pictures, everything on the palm of your hand. Easy cooking.